Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to crop an image in Microsoft PowerPoint. So by the end of this video, you should be able to take the top image and crop it like we have down here in the bottom image. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So let's say I have a blank PowerPoint presentation. If I go up to Insert and go over here to Pictures from this device, I can select my picture and then click Insert. And I can see that my image has been inserted into PowerPoint. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. So if I click on my image, I will get a ribbon up here called Picture Format. So if I click on that, there's an option over here for crop. I'm just going to click on crop. And once I do that, you can see that I'm getting all of these handles surrounding my image. So if I hover over the top one, my mouse will change from this four-sided arrow that allows me to move my image to two right angles with a straight line on the bottom. So if I click there, I can just drag down and crop my image to the place where I want it to be. And same thing for the bottom. You can see that the straight edge is now on top, telling me which direction I can crop in. So now I'm going to click and drag up. And then you can see that the flat head on the mouse is going to the left, so I can drag in. And over here you can see that the flat head will point to the right, and I can drag in that way as well. And then if I click off that image, I can see that my image has now in fact been cropped. Now we go over this a little bit more out on our blog, including ways to crop multiple images to be the same size. And I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.